Exodus chapter 37. Now Bezalel made the ark of acacia wood. Its length was 2.5 cubits, and its width 1.5 cubits, and its height 1.5 cubits. He overlaid it with pure gold, inside and out, and made a gold molding for it all around. He cast 4 rings of gold for it on its 4 feet, with 2 rings on one side, and 2 rings on the other side of it. He made poles of acacia wood, and overlaid them with gold. He put the poles into the rings on the sides of the ark to carry the ark. He made the mercy seat of pure gold, 2.5 cubits long and 1.5 cubits wide. He made 2 cherubim of gold. He made them of hammered metal on the 2 ends of the mercy seat, 1 cherub on one end and 1 cherub on the other end. Of one piece with the mercy seat he made the cherubim on its 2 ends. The cherubim spread out their wings upward, covering the mercy seat with their wings, with their faces toward each other. The faces of the cherubim were looking toward the mercy seat. He made the table of acacia wood, 2 cubits long, and 1 cubit wide, and 1.5 cubits high. And he overlaid it with pure gold, and made a gold molding for it all around. Also he made a rim for it of a handbreadth all around, and he made a gold molding for the rim all around. He cast 4 rings of gold for it, and put the rings on the 4 corners that were on its 4 feet. Close by the rim were the rings, the holders for the poles to carry the table. He made the poles of acacia wood, and overlaid them with gold to carry the table. He made the utensils which were on the table, its dishes, and its pans, and its bowls, and its jars, to be used in pouring out offerings, of pure gold. And he made the lampstand of pure gold. He made it of hammered work. Its base and its shaft, its cups, its buds, and its blossoms were of the same piece. 6 branches were extending from its sides, 3 branches of the lampstand from one side of it, and 3 branches of the lampstand from the other side of it. 3 cups shaped like almond flowers, a bulb and a flower, were on the first branch, and 3 cups shaped like almond flowers, a bulb and a flower, were on the next branch, and the same for the 6 branches going out of the lampstand. In the lampstand there were 4 cups made like almond flowers, its bulbs and its flowers, and a bulb was under the first 2 branches from it, and a bulb under the next 2 branches from it, and a bulb under the third 2 branches from it, according to the 6 branches coming out of it. Their bulbs and their branches were the same piece. All of it was one hammered work of pure gold. He made it 7 lamps with its snuffers and its trays of pure gold. He made it and all of its utensils from a talent of pure gold. He made the incense altar of acacia wood. Its length was 1 cubit, and the width 1 cubit, a square, and 2 cubits high. Its horns were of the same piece. He overlaid it with pure gold, its top, its sides all around, and its horns. He also made a gold molding for it all around. He also made 2 rings of gold for it under its molding on its 2 sides, on opposite sides, to be places for the poles to carry it. He made the poles of acacia wood, and overlaid them with gold. He made the holy anointing oil, and the pure incense of sweet spices, according to the work of a perfumer.